Okay, hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the Note 10. So I've been using this phone for roughly 2 months, and I have so many things to talk about this phone. Alright, so let's get the video rolling. Okay, so one of the good things about this phone is the camera. As you can see right now, I'm using the front camera to talk to you about the Note 10 Plus, and it's a live focus features video recording with live focus, which is really nice. After I use it for 2 months, I use this camera quite often, especially videos. If you haven't followed my other channel, the vlogging channel, you got to follow that because there's a lot of good content and everything inside there. Alright. Secondly, I really like the the S Pen, right? Because right now, whatever I write, the phone recognizes what I wrote on the note. So I can use my typing to search what I wrote, to search the note, which is pretty cool. So right now, I realize myself that I use my S Pen more often than the Note 9 or even the Note 8. In addition, I really like the 256GB because right now I don't even need to worry about storage, because back then even 128GB I have problems with my storage. Even for my Huawei P30 Pro, I have problems with like this storage already because I already use 94%. Because when you record 4K video or video like this, you're gonna be using a lot of storage. In addition, they do have 12GB RAM, so it speeds up the phone much faster. But there's some things I don't really like about this phone, and one of the main things I don't really like about this phone is the battery. Somehow I felt like the battery is shorter than the S10 Plus. Okay, so I'm not sure is that the case or not, but I felt like the S10 Plus battery is so much better than the Note 10 Plus. Secondly, I felt like sometimes when I open certain apps, it crashes. I'm not sure why is that, but I noticed that like it crashes time to time, and I'm not sure why is that. Okay. And number 3, the only thing I don't really like about this phone after I use it for 2 months is the pen. It tends to run out battery quite often. So sometimes they don't recognize the S Pen at all. Sometimes I have to restart it, to reconnect it. Sometimes it ran out battery, I have to charge it. Yes, it charges fast, but sometimes it doesn't recognize the S Pen at all. And it looks silly when I'm using S Pen to take pictures, right? So people were like, oh, it's Samsung, it doesn't no, it just doesn't recognize the S Pen sometimes. Okay, especially when I got out from the ultra power saving mode, it doesn't recognize. I'm not sure why. Overall, I do like this Note 10 Plus. It's because it's just so much easier. I put in the text, it turned out to be a computer, 256GB with a 256 SD cards. I can edit my videos, everything. It looks so much easier right now. So I don't really use this one anymore, except maybe taking some pictures. But Huawei P30 Pro is still pretty good. But today we just only talk about the S10 Plus. Alright? Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.